Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make chicken liver. You can eat it with tortilla wrap, naan or roti. So it's like the favorite dish of Pakistani people. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight towards the video. I've taken half cup oil, placed it into the frying pan. With that I've taken one onion and cut it into smaller pieces. So I'm going to fry these onions for a few minutes until it turn out to be brown. With the help of a spoon, I'm going to give it a quick mix. With that, I'm taking garlic ginger paste, about 2 tablespoons. I've taken some garlic and ginger and made a paste out of it. You can buy it from market that's already made. That's available on any supermarket. I'm gonna give it a quick mix with the help of a spoon, and with that I'm adding whole liver, chicken liver, about half kg, and I'm going to give it a mix as well. So we are going to give it a mix time to time so that the chicken liver is cooked or baked from each side. We're going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, and once the liver starts changing its color, we're going to add the masalas into it, but first it has to change its color. So we're going to give it a mix so that it's baked from each side, none of the sides stick to the pan or something. While it's gonna change its color, why don't you go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos. After frying it for like few minutes, we're going to cover it with the help of a lid so that it starts changing its color. You can see it's about to be changed its color. So we're going to place a lid onto it and let it fry for like few minutes. So after placing lid, we're going to give it 8 minutes to let cook, and you can see it's about to be cooked and it has changed completely its color. Now we're going to give it a mix and I'm gonna add some masalas. Now you can see the water started boiling. We're going to add red chili powder 1 tablespoon, and with that I'm taking coriander powder 1 tablespoon as well. It's also available in any supermarket, and garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. You can just go to the market and buy all this stuff, and I'm adding pepper 1 teaspoon. It's the black pepper, okay? So we are adding black cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and some yogurt, like half cup yogurt. So the yogurt is not the sweet yogurt, it's like a little sour yogurt, and we are adding salt. You can add salt according to your taste. I'm gonna give it a mix so that the masalas are completely mixed into the chicken liver. This because it's a non-stick pan, do not use any like metal material onto the non-stick pan because that's gonna take out the layer of non-stick. That's why I'm using a plastic spoon onto the non-stick pan. I'm adding yogurt half more because it's gonna give a little more good flavor, and but you have to add it after mixing all these ingredients after the time, and you can see it's about to be done, or recipe is about to be done, but before that we're going to place it for like 5 to 8 minutes and cover it with the help of a lid and let it cook for like few minutes so that the water is evaporated completely from the food. And you can see the water started evaporating and it started boiling. The chicken liver is starting to stick onto the pan, so we're going to give it a quick stir so that it does not stick on the pan and does not give a bad flavor, because once the food started to stick on the pan, it starts burning and that's going to give a bad flavor. I'm adding green chilies. I've chopped them before, like 3 to 4 chilies. With that I'm adding fresh coriander leaves. I've taken the leaves out of the stem and washed them quite well. I've not chopped them out and just placed it on this dish, that's all. So we're going to give it a mix with the help of a spoon again, and about to be done, or recipe is about to be done after 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. After giving it a few stirs, we're going to place it into a presentable dish, and our dish is ready to be eaten with the tortilla wrap or naan, and can be presented in front of the guests. They're going to love this dish. If you're a food lover, if you're a chicken lover, you're absolutely going to love this recipe. Most of the people don't like to eat chicken liver, but this recipe makes chicken liver so tasty. That one, you're going to eat it, you're going to love it. So I've taken a presentable bowl, this dish into the bowl, and you can eat it with tortilla wrap, naan, or you can eat it as it is without even anything. So it tastes so good, and this is the most favorite dish of Pakistani people. They love to eat it. You can also serve some raita, like yogurt raita with it, and some like salad, like vegetables including tomatoes or onions or even radish, anything salad you like. So it can be represented with this. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do share this recipe with your friends and your family, and do try this recipe at home, and let me know in comment section below that if you have any query related to this recipe. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video.